Hello guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna take a look at the quick shots feature on the DJI Mavic 2. Sorry for that, but there is just a plague of mosquitoes going on where I live right now, so I really need to be fast. So yeah, let's head out to the location, let's take out the drone and let's do some quick shots, huh? See you there. Okay, so first up we have a quick shot called Dronie. This is basically a movement where the drone automatically moves upwards, away from you, and tilts down, keeping you in the same portion of the frame, making a quick, smooth, cinematic movement automatically. So let's see how it goes, huh? Alright. This actually does not go exactly as I planned it, but yeah, I decided to save up some juice on the drone and actually move to the final location, which is by a riverbank. It's not the same location as last time. However, it's closer to the city, so it should give us a pretty cool sight of the buildings, bridges and stuff. And I'm gonna try to make some more quick shots there. Probably not all of them because I have only one battery on the drone, but let's try some cool ones like Helix, Boomerang, and Asteroid at least. Okay. Damn, those mosquitoes are really going on top of me. Gotta move. Okay, we are at the location. We're gonna try to do as many quick shots as we can, as the battery lets us do it. So let's start with a Helix. Okay, that was kind of fun, you know, so the drone basically circles around the subject, going away from you and going up a little bit, creating this cool cinematic movement that is very nice to speed ramp like you just saw. The next one I'm going to show you is called Boomerang, and it's one of my favorites as well, so let's see it. Alright, so Boomerang was pretty cool, right? It's like you're throwing a real boomerang. It basically goes away from you in this oval shape and then goes back right at you. So that was pretty dope. And yeah, unfortunately, like I said, the battery on the drone won't let me do more quick shots. I have juice for just the last one. And I'm gonna show you the one that is pretty unusual and creates a pretty cool effect. It's called Asteroid. Basically, the drone goes away from you, upwards, tilting down like the Dronie, but ends by turning your world into this kind of a mini planet by taking a series of shots and stitching them into a panorama, and then seamlessly basically transitions from the upward movement to this panorama view, creating this tiny planet. And that was pretty cool. So yeah, let's see that. There you have it. There was a couple of quick shots. I think this one of my favorite ones actually. I should really get a second battery for the drone, right? I know. Okay, anyway, I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to like it down below. Also, you can subscribe to the channel because there will be more vlogs like this, and also I make photography tutorials, filmmaking tutorials, all sorts of videos, travel videos. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and yeah, see you later. Bye.